Bradley Beal with a monster performance. He had 39 points. And look at this cheese before the game. Bradley Beal with 39 points and a near triple-double. He had 9 rebounds and 9 assists. And look at Chris Dunn splitting the double team, finishing with the slam. And then Miricic pump fakes and dunks it himself. Okay, the Bulls are looking good here. In the first half, Bobby Portis gonna finish with the layup. A 10-point game, and the Bulls, they're showing no signs of slowing down. Another jumper falls right in the face of Otto Porter. Second half action. Can the Bulls hold on to this? Bradley Beal gets cooking. A step back. Oh my goodness. Robin Lopez just gave up on the play. He said, you could have that three. I'm not going to waste any energy trying to get there. They're double teaming Beal. He dishes it off for the assist. He doesn't care if you double team him. He trusts his teammates. Timeout, Bulls. Wizards finally take the lead. Now they're down by 1. Porter gonna go baseline, kick it outside. Wall gonna get the assist to Beal. Splash! Wizards retake the lead. What do the Bulls have up their sleeve? It's gonna be the rookie knocking down a 3 to take the lead. It's a 3-point game. It's a back and forth affair. Wall gives it to Beal. He's on fire tonight. Another one. Another lead change down the stretch. This game is incredible. Now the Bulls are up by 1. This is a big possession. Pulling up from mid-range. He's got it. Chris Dunn loving it in Chicago. They're up by 1, 30 seconds remaining. John Wall crossover finishes with the left-handed layup and 1. Wizards gonna go up by 2 and missed free throw, but they're gonna fight for the rebound. It's loose. Who's gonna get this volleyball tap? Cheese. John Wall comes up with it, and the Wizards hold on to win. Give that guy a map. Where are you going? That's a lot of separation. What a score, 133 points, 6 minutes remaining. Oh, he hits the floor again. If you flop, I pop. You know the